Alright homies, I'm gonna start cleaning this floor and put you guys on time lapse, and hopefully we'll be able to get this epoxy down. Let's get to it.
Diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the number, that's a lot of crime. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind. I'm big time, lot of sun. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine. Pockets running over with the dollar sign. Try to take it from me, yeah. Ooh, big time, big time, big time. numbers, that's a lot of grind. Try and take it from me, must be out your mind. Oh, I'm big time, lot of signs. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine. Pockets running over with the dollar sign. Try and take it from me, from me, from me.
Big time, number 9. Got it in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running out the numbers, that's a lot of grind. Try and take it from me, must be out your mind. Oh, I'm big time, lot of signs. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine. Pockets running over with the dollar sign. Try and take it from me, take it from me.
Adrift and aware of it all. Just squares and circles. All thoughts and dreams, feelings that I need here.
sparkly.
It's sparkly.
It
So-
is sparkly.
So we wanted the gold. Rock Solid makes a gold color, and nobody had it. It's like out of stock everywhere. You couldn't order it from them. You couldn't order it on Amazon. You couldn't get it from Home Depot. Nowhere had it. So we decided that we were going to buy the mocha and make our own. And I would say it's pretty good. A little bedazzled. I'll sweep off some of this glitter, and then we're going to hang some stuff up.
Bedazzled.
What do you
Bedazzled.
say? Do we agree? Good to go? All right, guys. So we finished the floor. Only a couple of complaints about this rock solid garage flooring. You can see we coated the crap out of the edges. We did the edges first, and they all shrank. So they call it, a lot of people are calling it shrink or whatever, but basically it still has the stuff on it. Like it's still stuck. It's still there. It's still sealed, whatever. But it's the concrete color showing through the rock solid. I don't know what we could have possibly have done to make that better or fix that, other than maybe wait for it to dry and recoat it. But it is unfortunate that we paid the amount of money that we paid for the product, and then it left that on the edge. Hindsight, I don't really care that much. It's my garage, and it's going to be covered up by tools and things, but when we go to sell the house, it's going to suck because it looks weird, even though it is protected by the coating and whatever, but it kind of sucks. But we put it on real thick there with a paintbrush, and it just still turned gray. Other than that, it turned out great, and we used our own glitter. You guys saw that. I ordered some big glitter on Amazon. It was like 5 mil gold because we wanted the gold floors, and it turned out pretty good. I think it looks cool. Some people might not like it. It might not be your thing, but when I drop a tool or a washer, a nut, or a bolt or something on the ground that's black, maybe a small black screw or something, I want to be able to see it. And on this floor, you will definitely be able to see it. I see a lot of people do black floors, and I'm just thinking that must not be a working garage, because there's no way in hell you're finding a bolt or a nut or anything black on that. But yeah, it still turned out great. I think the product itself is great, and we'll be back in 6 months to review and see how it goes. Stay tuned.